Good morning, friends. It's Joe with JoeDoesSolar.com. It's Wednesday, October 27th, and welcome to a dirty little secret the electric company doesn't want you to know. So last night, if you watched the local news here in Central Florida, Orlando area, they announced on the news that FP&L was just approved by the state regulators to levy some massive rate hikes on you all. Over $1 billion in rate hikes over the next several years. For guess what? What are they using that money for? To pay for their solar investment. Yes, they're investing in solar. So for all you holdouts out there that have been kicking this can down the road and not going solar yourself, Mickey Mouse has got a bunch of solar, FP&L's got a bunch of solar, and you don't. See, here's the thing with solar. When you're making your own energy and you're on net metering, it really doesn't matter what they're charging for power because you're making your own. Right now it's about 12 cents a kilowatt hour with FP&L. And if they raise the rates and you're making power, it doesn't matter whether it really doesn't matter what they're charging for because you're making your own. So what's with the tomatoes? Look, if you go to the store and you're sticker shocked because tomatoes are $3.50 a pound and you're growing your own, it doesn't matter what they're charging for tomatoes. Hope it helps.